This has been a very beautiful Saturday, y'all. No rain, not many clouds. I do see some clouds coming over that way now, dark ones. It's like low 80s, I think, but no humidity. The humidity is what makes it terrible. So if there's no humidity, even if it's like, you know, upper 80s, it's fine. I'm coming in now to cook supper. We're also having an eating after church tomorrow. If y'all missed yesterday's video, I'll link it down below. We already made some cookies for that. Sissy's gonna be making something whenever, I told her whenever she's ready to make it, she can just go ahead because she doesn't really need my help. Right now, I need to get supper started. We're making enchilada casserole. So we're gonna start with about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. How long does this have to bake? 30 minutes? Okay, we're good. While that's finishing up, I'm going to drain this can of pinto beans real quick. And I'm going to rinse them too. Okay, we got the ground beef drained. I'm going to put in some salt and pepper. A teaspoon of ground cumin. Teaspoon of chili powder, some minced onion, one can of green chilies, and we're going to put in the pinto beans. I've got it turned down to low now. Don't go anymore. And we're putting in half of this can of enchilada sauce. Okay, I've got this casserole dish sprayed. We're just going to put in half of the meat mixture. Okay, we're putting 2 tortilla shells and now half of the cheese. I'm just using some shredded Colby Jack and sharp cheddar, but you can use whatever kind you want to use. Pepper Jack would be good, but we're out of pepper jack right now. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of the enchilada sauce. And then we just repeat. And it goes in the oven for 30 minutes at 375. It's a winner, y'all. I ordered some sour cream, but both containers, because I needed one for a recipe and then I had another, anyways, 2 containers. They're both liquid. I don't know what happened, but I was gonna put some sour cream on there, but it's great, even without it. Cece made pumpkin pies, y'all. Will they both fit on there?
Sissy, put some candy corn in it.
Oh yeah, they both fit. You got it? I'm making some gravy biscuits for breakfast this morning. I already got the biscuits in the oven, making the sausage gravy now. Once I get this done, I'm going to make the potato thing that I'm taking. It's pretty much like potato salad, but you add cream cheese to it and some red and green bell pepper. It's really good. And Jonah's going to make macaroni and cheese. He got some Kraft Deluxe boxes of macaroni and cheese. That's one of his favorite kinds, so that's what he wants to bring. There's nothing like a brand new day, especially when it's a brand new sunshiny day. Good morning. Good morning.